Okay, tear off can be really tedious at times. It's not just simple tear everything off. So in this case, you have to remember, this is also new. This was an add-on in the same time period, probably the same time. So what they did this correctly. They ran the flashing down as they were putting the roof on, and probably, can't tell. Well, no, the siding was probably put on afterwards. So it's underneath the siding coming out. So there was nails back into here and up into here. So they're very difficult to get out, but I did get them out. Now I don't know how far how far were they able to hammer in up here. I don't know, but this is going to be a challenge getting all this clean too. So we need all the nails out of there. Could have a nail back in here from the cedar shakes, but we'll get that later. I don't think we're going to get any more rain today, but I didn't go too far up in case we do. But I'm about out of time, so yeah, my 3 buckets are pretty much full. So we're going to call it a morning for this task and move on. Come back at this later today.